Hello student, let me continue exercise 6.3 of class 8th, chapter 6, square and square root. Sum number 4, which is on your screen. Find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. 729 divided by 3, 3 2 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja 9, 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja, 327, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. We can write it as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make pairs. Symbol of square root. When we use this symbol square root, take out of 1 3 from the pair. One from here, another next. Answer is 27. Next, part second. Square root of 400. 2 2 ja, 0 ja, 0 ja. 200, 250, 225, 5 5 ja. We can write it as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. Pairs. Symbol of square root. Take common 2. Next 2. Next 5. Answer is 20. Next part. 1764. Prime factor. Prime number which having only two factor, 1 and itself. Two multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 7. Pair. Symbol of square root. Take common 3 7. Answer is 42. Next part. 4096. Prime factor divided by 2. Again by 2. Again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 2 comes. Right here. Make pair. Symbol of square root. Answer 2 2 2 2 2 2. 6 times 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 2 ja 64 is the answer. Part 5th. 7,744 divided by 2. Make pair. Symbol of square root. Answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 11s are 88. Answer. Next, part 6th. 9,604 divided by 2. 2,401. It will divisible by 7 right now. Two multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Symbol of square root. Pairs. Take common 1 from one pair. We have answer is 98. Next, part 7th. 5929 divided by 7. Again by 7. Now by 11. We have 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. Pair. Symbol of square root. Common from 271 from 11. Pair of 11, 1 11 take out. Answer is 77. Next part 8th. 9216. Let I am doing part here. 529. Twenty-three multiply 23 makes 529. So square root of 529 is 23 is the answer. Student, you should know about divisibilities. Which number goes on 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Next, 9,216 divided by 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 times 2, 2 times 3. Make pair. Symbol of square root right here. 2 2, again 2, next 2 2 3. Multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are. Answer is 96. Last 10th part. 8100 divided by 2, again by 2, next it will goes by 3, again by 3, one 2, 2 comes 2 times, 3 4 times, 5 2 times. Pair. Symbol of square root. We have 90 is the answer. Next, sum number 5. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also, find the square root of the square number so obtained. Simple question. Using prime factorization method, we divide it. We can write it as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. Pair. 7 is not in pair, so required number by which we have to multiply, that is 7. Multiply both sides by 7. Now symbol of square root common. Answer is 42. Smallest number by which we multiply, that is 7, and the square root is 42. Next part second. 180 divided by 2, make pair. 5 is not in pair, that's why we multiply both sides by 5. Now pair. Square root टेक कॉमन. जो नंबर पेयर में नहीं होता है आपने दोनों तरफ उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है ताकि वो पेयर में आ जाए. 2 3 जा 6, 6 5 जा 30. स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर by which we multiply, that is 5, and the square root of after multiplication 930 is the answer. Next part third. 108 divide we can write it as pair. 7 is not in pair. That's why we multiply both sides by 7. दोनों तरफ मल्टीप्लाई करने से हमारी स्टेटमेंट पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आता. सिंबल ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट कॉमन. We have 84 is the answer. Smallest number by which we multiply, that is 7. After multiplication it becomes 7056 and its square root is 84. Next part, fourth. 2028 divide by 2, now by 3. 13 13 ja 139. We can write it as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 13 multiply 13. Here 3 is not in pair. That's why multiply both sides by 3. Now make pair. Symbol of square root common. 2, then 3, then 13. Answer is 78. Smallest number by which we have multiply. That is 3. Square root of it 78. Next two part. 5th and 6th, try yourself. Both are easy. Thank you.